Hey, I'm Bloggin Brandi, and I've been using Wix to design my new website. To access all the functions in your blog, site visitors need to sign up and become site members. In this video, I'm showing you how to customize the login settings in your new Wix blog. You can customize any of the following login settings for your members. So you can decide on who can become a member, display either the sign up or login screen first, allow social login, or display a link to your terms of use, privacy policy, or code of conduct when members sign up. Before I forget, some people may be running an older version of this Wix member area, and some of the features may look slightly different. For more information about this, you can check out the description below this video. If we were wanting to access our blog page and some of the settings on that, what I would do is make sure I'm on my blog page and go to menus. You can go to member pages, and then this little gear icon I would select and go to member sign up settings, and this is going to bring up settings for who can be a member and which option shows first on the sign up page, your social and community, options for signing in, and policies. And I'll go over those here in just a second, but I'm going to show you, if you don't get through it on the tab from the left hand navigational column, then you can also access it from this login bar that populates on the screen. So you would click the login bar and it'll pop up if you double click it, or click the login bar, select setup login bar, and you'll see the settings if you scroll down to member sign up settings and click that. So member sign up settings, same options, but in general you can choose these options to apply to your members area only. So who can be a member? It can be everyone or people I approve. Which option shows first? New member sign up option or existing member login. And then social and community, these options only apply to your members area as well, but you can allow people to sign in with their Google account, like their Gmail, or their social media, like their Facebook account. And then community settings, join the community is checked by default. So if you want to automatically get people to join your community, which is like your forum and your community on your website, not necessarily on social media or anywhere else, you can check this option and make that choice. And then if you have a privacy page, terms of service page, or code of conduct page, all of those can be added and you can show a link to those. So when you select this, so if you wanted to add terms of service or terms of use page, you can show a link to the terms of use by selecting this option and then choose what your link is. So you're just going to add your link either for popping up in a new window or the current window and tell it where to go, either a page or something else like an anchor. And then once you've added all your changes to your member sign up settings, you're going to click done, and you're going to see that your options are saved here in the top. But this all has to do with your member sign up settings, and this you can select for your login bar what you want to show in here. So this is the screen that you're editing. So on the sign up page, you can see it says, are you already a member? You can log in, or you can sign up with Facebook, your Gmail account, or you can sign up with your email address. And this is the little box that it's talking about join the community, and this is pre-checked, but they can uncheck it. And then there's a read more section. So you can choose to either have this sign up page show up or this login page show up. But once you publish this, we can see the changes for the viewers. So now you know how to customize the login settings for your new Wix blog. If you need help, you can watch more tutorials just like this one. Visit the description below this video or check out Wix.com's amazing help center. I'm Bloggin Brandi. You can reach me on social at Bloggin Brandi or find out more about me on my website, www.blogginbrandi.com.